Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create grading rubrics in Canvas, an essential tool for providing clear grading criteria to your students, as well as a way to expedite the grading process. From the course navigation menu, click Rubrics. Then click the plus Add Rubric button. Start by giving your rubric a title related to your assignment. Each row in your rubric should include criteria, ratings, and point values. Criteria represents what you're grading, such as organization, analysis, grammar, or any other category relevant to your assignment. Ratings are the performance level, for example, excellent, satisfactory, or needs improvement. You can add or remove levels by clicking the plus icon. Each rating has a corresponding point range or point value that can be customized. Add a brief description for each criterion and rating levels to make the expectations clear. To add more rows, click Criterion. You can also choose to duplicate an existing row to preserve any customized levels, or create a new criterion row from scratch. When finished, click Create Rubric. Your rubric is now ready to attach. Open the assignment or discussion board where you want to attach your rubric. Scroll to the bottom and click Rubric. If you're in a discussion board, open the Options menu and choose Add Rubric. To reuse an existing rubric, click Find a Rubric. Select the one you created and then click Use this rubric. If you'd like Canvas to automatically calculate scores, click Edit and check the box labeled Use this rubric for assignment grading. When you're ready to grade, open SpeedGrader for the assignment. Click View Rubric to open it. Select the appropriate ratings by clicking the score tiles. You can also override scores manually if needed, and add comments on specific criteria or the overall assignment to give students meaningful feedback. When you're done, click Save to record your grades and feedback. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create grading rubrics in Canvas. We hope this helps you ensure consistency and save time when grading assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.